How dopamine is destroying your focus. Have you ever picked up your phone for just a minute and suddenly an hour is gone? You plan to study, work, or finish an important task, but somehow you ended up scrolling through social media without even realizing it. The problem isn't that you're lazy. The problem might be dopamine. Dopamine is often called the feel-good chemical, but that's not entirely true. Dopamine is actually the brain's motivation and reward chemical. It pushes you to seek things that feel rewarding. Thousands of years ago, this system helped humans survive. Finding food, building relationships, and achieving goals triggered dopamine and encouraged useful behaviors. But today, things have changed. Social media platforms, short videos, notifications, and endless scrolling are constantly triggering dopamine in your brain. Every swipe offers something new. A funny video, a shocking fact, a motivational quote, a viral trend. Your brain never knows what reward is coming next, and that's exactly what makes scrolling so addictive. This creates a dangerous cycle. The more instant rewards you consume, the harder it becomes to focus on activities that require patience. Reading a book feels boring. Studying feels difficult. Working on a long project feels exhausting, not because these activities are bad, but because your brain has become used to high-speed stimulation. Think about it. A TikTok video gives your brain excitement in seconds. A YouTube short gives instant entertainment. But learning a skill, building a business, or reading a book requires effort before the reward arrives. Your brain naturally starts choosing the easier reward. This is why many people feel distracted all the time. Their attention isn't broken, it's simply being trained in the wrong direction. The good news is that focus can be rebuilt. Here are 3 simple ways to do it. Number 1. Reduce unnecessary dopamine triggers. Turn off non-essential notifications. Remove apps that waste your time. Create distance between yourself and constant distractions. Number 2. Practice deep work. Spend just 25 minutes focusing on one task without checking your phone. Over time, increase that period. Focus is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it becomes. Number 3. Choose delayed rewards. Read books, learn skills, exercise, work on meaningful goals. These activities may feel harder at first, but they provide long-term satisfaction instead of short-term stimulation. The truth is simple. Social media is not the enemy. Technology is not the enemy. The real challenge is allowing instant rewards to control your attention. Every time you choose focus over distraction, you're retraining your brain. And every time you resist the urge to seek instant pleasure, you become stronger. Your future is shaped by what you pay attention to today. Protect your focus, because your focus is your greatest asset.